This video has been a long time in the making, and by a long time I mean 3 months. So as you will have seen by the title, I am bringing you today a review of the Bondi Boost hair growth shampoo and conditioner, and also the Bondi Boost rapid repair serum. Okay, I've been using these products for 3 months. I have seen, who is it, Han Renee, Georgia May, I'm pretty sure there's someone else as well, but I can't remember for the life of me who it was, using these products and raving about them. But obviously, you know, they're working with the brands. I wanted to bring you a review from the perspective of somebody, a paying customer, and let me tell you, this stuff is not cheap. A complete and utter honest review, and let me tell you, I have some opinions. So let's talk a little bit more about Bondi Boost. So the back of the packaging says, ready for better hair days. This zingy peppermint scented shampoo will get you there. I must admit, first things first, it smells incredible. It is very refreshing. Like it says, peppermint scented. It's perfect for, you know, in the morning when you just need a little bit of a wake-up call, I guess. Made with signature peppermint and rosemary, it will have you coming back for more. No silicons, no parabens, and no sulfates. And then the back of the rapid repair serum says, keen to reach Rapunzel-like lengths. Treat split ends, reduce breakage, and repair damage with this non-sticky, non-greasy serum. Okay, so I use maybe about 2, that's a lie, I use more than that. I use about 3 to 4 pumps of each of these in the shower just to feel like it's really kind of getting in my hair, and then I use 2 pumps of this afterwards, and then I will brush it through with a wide tooth comb. So that is what I've been doing for the last 3 months. So they're vegan and cruelty free, obviously, otherwise I would not even consider touching them. So without further ado, let's get on to talking about how I feel about these bad boys. So if you want to know my opinions, keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to mention, I don't really like washing my hair too often, okay? I think if you wash your hair too often, you are stripping your head of the natural oils and it can't benefit from them, okay? So I would rather wash my hair as little as possible, preferably 3 to 4 days in between washes. So I washed my hair yesterday, and I'm just gonna, my hair is already from yesterday morning extremely, not extremely, but it is definitely like, this is slick back bun territory, okay? The only reason I didn't do a slick back bun for this video was because I wanted to show you, you know, the state of the greasiness. So I have been washing my hair a hell of a lot more often than I originally would have liked. Purely because I don't want to go out with a greasy looking mop on my head. I have normal hair when it comes to greasy and dry. I have pretty like middle grounds hair, but this stuff doesn't keep your hair clean for long, and that is point numero uno. Secondly, I suppose we should talk about length, because it is the hair growth shampoo and conditioner. So I will pop a picture on screen of the day I started testing these guys out. I just got my mum to cut my hair for me because I kind of wanted to start this afresh, get rid of all the split ends so that we can have like a clean canvas to work with, I suppose. And I will also pop on the screen a picture of 3 months prior, in December, when I got my hair cut last. So I hadn't been using these products, and this is how much my hair had grown in that space of time. So not loads, obviously, probably a pretty standard amount. And then just for comparison, I took a picture today. So you can see that my hair has actually grown a reasonable amount in that time. However, I don't think it has grown all that much more than it would have if I was just using a standard shampoo and conditioner. Considering that is the whole like marketing selling point for these guys, I can't say I'm that impressed. So that is point number 2. Point number 3. So I have a lot of breakage, okay? These are not, you know, the remnants of an old fringe that I've been growing out. This is literally breakage, and I have that all the way, okay, so I'm holding a piece of hair right here, it finishes here, and this is a continuous trend throughout the whole of my head. I had this 3 months ago as well. It has not changed, it has not got better. I have considered the fact that it could be new hairs sprouting, which at the top of my head could still be the case. However, around the front, particularly kind of under here, all of this hair is pure breakage. I don't think this shampoo and conditioner has done absolutely anything to prevent any more breakage or repair already done damage. So overall, I am thoroughly disappointed and unimpressed with these. For 30, so these are £33 together. Apparently retails for 45, but £33 is still quite a lot. And then for this, so 125 millilitres, £27. In my opinion, not worth it. This is just my personal opinion, obviously. I mean, some people might use it and it could work wonders, but from where I'm sitting, this isn't very good. I'm about halfway down both of these, and then I'm literally about here on this guy. So they do last a lot, but I almost wish they didn't, because I don't want to waste them. I don't like them, I don't want to use them, but I don't want to waste them, so I'm still gonna finish them. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy a completely different shampoo and conditioner, maybe like a shampoo and conditioner bar potentially, because then you have like minimal packaging, and I'm just gonna use these maybe every 4 washes. It's gonna take me years to get down these, I swear. So that is the end of this video. I would say I hope you enjoyed it, but it wasn't exactly the most positive review in the world, but you know, I hope you found it helpful. We'll go with that. I hope you found it helpful. So I will be doing a completely separate hair care video in the future. I'm going to be reviewing a few more bits and bobs, which I'm really excited for. I've embarked on a bit of a hair journey, so if you're interested in that kind of thing, then make sure you do hit subscribe down below. I post loads of makeup and fashion content as well, but for now, thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it, and I will see you very soon for another video.